Welcome aboard this beautiful 2019 Jeanneau NC795, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. This NC795 has been meticulously maintained and is in outstanding condition. The NC795 is a well-regarded powerboat that offers a blend of versatility, comfort, and modern design, making it a popular choice among boating enthusiasts. The NC795 has a sleek, contemporary design with a streamlined hull that contributes to its impressive performance. Whether you're looking for a boat to enjoy weekend cruises or to use for day trips with friends, the NC795 is a solid choice and delivers on many fronts. The NC795 is known for its nimble handling and smooth ride. It is powered by a single 200 horsepower Mercury, which provides ample power for various boating activities. The boat performs well in different sea conditions, offering stability and confidence-inspiring handling. The boat's exterior is highlighted by its large, panoramic windows that not only provide excellent visibility, but also flood the interior with natural light. The swim platforms on either side of the engine, with a folding stainless steel ladder, allow for easy boarding from the water. The cockpit is a highlight of the Jeanneau NC795, providing plenty of space for outdoor activities. This is a versatile space and features comfortable seating, a dining table, and easy access to a swim platform, making it an ideal area for socializing and water activities. Moving forward on the side deck is safe and easy with well-placed handrails. On the bow, you are greeted with a comfortable sun pad that is safe and easily accessible by the walk-around bow and makes this the perfect place to relax and enjoy the sunset. The anchor locker offers easy access to the Lumar windlass and a handy windlass remote. The sunbed is designed with a center removable cushion for access to the hatch for better cabin lighting and ventilation. The hardtop is equipped with a sizable glass hatch that opens for added ventilation. The cabin of the NC795 is thoughtfully designed with a focus on space and functionality. The interior features a modern and stylish decor with high-quality materials. The salon is spacious and comfortable with a layout that maximizes the use of space. Storage space on the NC795 is well thought out, with various compartments and lockers designed to accommodate gear and personal items. This helps in keeping the cabin and cockpit organized and clutter-free. To port is a spacious dinette that easily seats four and provides an excellent place for meals. The dinette converts into a double bed that can accommodate additional guests. The galley is well equipped with essential appliances including a sink, a 2-burner stove, and a refrigerator. This setup is perfect for preparing meals on the go and adds to the boat's livability. The forward seats provide excellent support and offers an unobstructed view forward. This vessel is equipped with a wide range of electronics at the helm, including a large Garmin chart plotter and an electronic engine instrument display. Additional equipment includes a fusion radio, trim tab controls, and bow thruster controls. The forward V-berth cabin offers a surprising amount of space for a boat of this size. The head is spacious and functional and includes a toilet and sink. The 2019 Jeanneau NC795 is a versatile and stylish powerboat that offers a good balance of performance, comfort, and practicality, making it suitable for a range of activities from family outings to more adventurous excursions. To book your appointment to view this 2019 Jeanneau NC795, contact Little Yacht Sales.